Good morning, kids. Hope you all are doing well.
Now we will start exercise 8.1. In that exercise, we will draw horizontal, vertical and slanting line segment or ray. Like in first question, draw and name a horizontal, vertical and slanting line. Here we will draw three types of lines. So first of all, horizontal. Horizontal means like sleeping line. We are doing here, we will draw a line. We will put arrows on both ends and give it a name like A and B. So AB is a horizontal line. Now we will draw vertical line, means standing line. In this way we will draw here and we will put the marks of arrows on both ends. Now we will give the name like CD. CD is a vertical line. Now we will draw a slanting line. In that position, here we will draw a line by putting two marks on each side. Here we will give the name EF. Now EF is a slanting line. Now in 8.2 exercise, we learn how to use a scale. On a scale you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, these marks are given. When you have to draw any line, you just start from that 0 point and you will go till the required measurement. Like if you want to draw 2 centimeter, you will start from here 0 and end your line segment at point 2. If you want to draw 3 centimeter, you will select a mark from here to that point. In between these two numbers, you can see millimeter points are here. Like this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. In between these two centimeter numbers, you can see small points like 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. You can say half more than 1 and half point this is. Then this is 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 and here exactly 2. In the same way, this is 2.5, this is 3.5, this is 4.5. So now we will measure the line segments given in the question number 2. In question 2, measure the line segments and write the length in centimeters. Now these line segments are given. How we will measure? You can see that 0 point on the scale. That 0 point you will fix on the starting point and see where the end point is there. This is 8.5, 8.6, 8.7 and 8.8. So here we will write the measurement 8.8 centimeter. Now measure the next line segment. Again start from the 0 point here and measure that ends at, this is 6.5 but it ends on 6.4. So here we will write 6.4. In this way you can measure next two line segments. Now we will do question number 4. Draw line segments of the following measurements. While drawing the line segment, you will use a sharp pointed pencil. I will draw here with the pen because it's not pencil will not be visible there. So let me start its B part. 4.5 centimeter. Now here 4.5 centimeter is written, means 4.5. So here we will draw the line. First of all, we will put a mark on 0 point and second mark on 4.5. How we will select that? You can see here, this is the 4 centimeter mark, and in between these two marks, here you can see one bigger line, that is 4.5. So here we will put the second mark. Now you can see two marks are there. We will join these two marks, and here we get the required line segment. Now we will give the name A, B, and here we will write 4.5, or you can write 4.5 also. 4.5 centimeter line segment. In this way you can draw rest of the line segments required in that question.